go on like a sweater for your feet. Oh my God. I went shopping. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I went shopping for shoes. So this is a relatively new company called Cosy Island. And today we're going to unbox this and see, are they the best eco-friendly shoes that you've ever tried? Let's unbox them and find out. But first, if you're new here, take a minute to subscribe to my channel and like this video for me, if you will. It helps get my channel out there to more people and helps me to be able to create more content for you guys. So hit the like and subscribe and stay till the end of the video to find out my thoughts on these shoes and whether they are actually the most comfortable shoes ever. Cosy Island is a relatively new shoe company. So their motto is, "Hello everyone, we are Cosy Island." They're a global footwear brand with the vision of comfort without compromise. Cosy Island actually makes their shoes out of recycled plastic bags. I'm curious, like, are these going to be good quality? Are they going to be comfortable? Let's get right into opening these up. And I will also have links to everything that I try on today, along with the Cosy Island website down in the description box below. So if you see anything you like or you just want to browse what the store has to offer, then yes, follow the links down in the description box. I'm going to go ahead also and pop up over here for you some of the different types of shoes and other items that they actually have besides shoes. They also carry purses. I went ahead and also picked up one of their purses because I wanted to see if these were just as good as higher end purses. I'm actually reading from their website here, and it says, "Cosy Island Beginnings. The reason behind our name is that we spend the majority of our lives wearing shoes, and the comfort of these shoes significantly impacts our life experience. We aspire for our brand's shoes to collectively create a cozy island where your feet will always feel comfortable as long as you walk on our island." So states that they are comfort without compromise. So with this vision in mind, we began to consider how we can build up this cozy and comfortable island. We start from the pain point that every woman experiences when wearing fashion shoes, such as foot pain and fatigue due to tight toe boxes, high heels, and hard soles. I do suffer from these things. I have plantar fasciitis, and wearing some shoes are really, really hard for me, especially heels. So I steered clear from heels, and maybe I should have tried a pair just to test them, but I didn't dare. While athletic shoes like sneakers can effectively alleviate these problems, they do not meet women's style and fashion needs for all occasions. As a result, we are often forced to choose between style and comfort. That's true. And that is why we founded Cosy Island, designing shoes that you don't need to compromise. And comfort without compromise became the mission of us. So that's Cosy Island's mission. I went ahead and picked up a purse from them also, because I wasn't only curious about shoes, I was also curious about these bags. Let's open these and see. Do they live up to the standards that they're putting out for themselves? Stay to the end and find out from my opinion. Open up this purse first, or bag. They all come wrapped in plastic, and this bag actually came in a really, really nice, like, fabric tote bag. I like that. Like, I can use this tote bag for other things. It's got the Cosy Island logo on it, and it just says Cosy Island. This is a really nice bag. This is all packaged up in paper. Feels like Christmas right now. All right, here is their little bag. This, and the tag, it has this tag on it that says, "Thanks, we hope you will enjoy your purchase of our products. Our products are crafted with great attention to detail. Please enjoy a discount of 20% off for your next order. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see pictures. And they have an email address where you can send them pictures of your items. This is cute. This is all packaged up really nice, really cute. It snaps open. It's just a little clutch. And inside, we also have another little handbag. This will be perfect for my makeup on the go. That actually has a strap in there, so you can sling it over your shoulder. Nice. And then it's just got plastic in it. Your scent packs or whatever those things are, moisture packs. But that's the little clutch. It does kind of have that chemical smell to it, but I feel like that's pretty typical from items that you get usually off Temu, things like that. I've even had some from Amazon that come with that almost chemical type scent. But yeah, it also has a new purse scent too. So you can definitely tell it's new. It smells new. But how cute is that? That's going to be perfect for my makeup. I can just throw everyday items in there. Got some room in here, but not too much room. So you're not going to be digging through your purse looking for one item because you've got too much cram. Well, you could cram too much in there. I will probably cram too much in here. But you know that feeling when your purse is just too big and you're looking for something and you're constantly just fishing in there and you can't find that one item? This is smaller, so it's going to kind of take a little bit of that away. You're not going to be able to hold quite as much stuff in your purse. But this is cute. It's got a little snap here, so it will snap closed. The outside here is a mesh material. I really, really like this. And then we can put our cream colored bag. This is like a yellow. Put our cream colored bag in there and carry our makeup. So far, they're coming in strong. Now let's test out their shoes and see if the shoes live up to the hype. So as I said, Cozy Island shoes are made from recycled plastic bags. This is the type of box it comes in. It's just a yellow basic shoe box that says Cozy Island. I picked these up in a size 9. This is how they're packaged. This is the pair of sandals. Your shoes, oh, that's neat. I don't think I've ever seen this detail in another shoe brand. I don't believe I have ever gotten a shoe chart. So this looks like it's a sizing canvas for your feet. I'm guessing that that's what this is. You may use this paper to measure your feet size. How interesting. It has numbers down the side, so that's going to tell you what size shoe is going to work best for you. That is really neat. Have you guys ever seen anything like that in a shoe package? I have not. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever seen this before. How cool. I'm going to keep that, set that aside. But I picked up these sandals right here. I thought that these would be really nice for summer. And how cute are these? And first thing I noticed, my first impression, these are heavy. So these are a really heavy shoe. They're not cheaply made. They're not light. Like they have some heft to them. Like that's really, really good quality in these sandals. I really like this detail here in the toe. This metal chain link that goes across. I like that a lot. I picked out this style because it doesn't have the toe in there. What is that called? That piece that goes in between your big toe. Lord, I don't even know what that's called right now, but it doesn't have that. And that's why I chose these, because I get blisters really bad from those. So I just wanted a pair of sandals that I could slip on. Sole here feels, I'm not gonna lie, the sole feels kind of hard. It doesn't feel real cushy. But I also have plantar fasciitis, and I don't have a lot of support in my arch, so I'm trying to wear arch supports, which doesn't really help much, but I can tell by looking at these, they have a nice curve in here to them, so that'll be nice. Let's try these on because I'm really excited to see how they're gonna feel on my sore achy feet. How cute are these? My first observation with these is that the soles are really hard. I also have pretty sensitive feet, so I have a big callus on my big toe right now, the ball of my big toe, so that's a little bit uncomfortable for me. But again, that's me working in a factory for years. My feet are problems. They're problem childs, basically. But these are super cute. I do think I could have gone down to a size 8 in these. But the more I'm wearing them, the more I feel like my feet are actually molding to them. So, oddly enough, the more I walk in these and the more weight I'm putting on them, the more comfortable they're becoming. When I first stepped into them, I thought, oh no, these are really hard. But the longer I wear them, the more I'm just kind of molding into them and they're becoming more comfortable. So they probably need to be just broken in. I like these. Lastly, for shoes, I picked up a pair of boots. They have some really nice boots in there. As a matter of fact, after I placed my order, I kind of kicked myself a little bit because I wished I would have ordered a second pair of boots instead of the sandals. But the sandals will be nice in the summer. I won't kick myself as much then, but I really got to thinking afterwards, boy, I wish I would have ordered another pair of boots because they got some really cute boots. So again, they come in the canvas bag, which is a nice touch. You don't see that a lot, but look at how cute these boots are. These are going to be high leg boot, and look at that heel. I don't normally like heels, but because this was a chunkier, boxier heel, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try that. But look how cute that is, that detail. It's almost like a cheetah print in the heel. In this part of the boot is like a sock. So it doesn't have a zipper. There's nothing to zip it down. So you basically pull it on like you would a sock. And it's got some stretch. So if you have bigger calves like me, these should go over it and then stay pretty snug. Yeah, these are really cute. Each boot, again, we have another foot chart. That is so cool. Like, all right, Cozy Island, that is really, really interesting. Each boot has their own canvas bag, so that's kind of neat. The thing I worry about with these boots will be the toe, because it's a narrow toe. And typically, I purchase wide-toed shoes just because I got fat toes. So I'm a little worried about that being so narrow, but these are adorable. And I like the sock-like feature. And that heel is so fashionable and cute. I can't get enough. Almost wish I got another pair of boots. I keep saying that, but let's try these on and let's see. Forget to remove the packing. They've got packing in these. It's like a sweater for your legs. Oh, and that toe is comfortable. That's impressive. They definitely pack in so they keep their shape. And then they just go on like a sweater for your feet. Oh my God. Already, I like these better than the sandals. See, back to my theory that I should have gotten another pair of boots. These are nice. Definitely like these better than the sandals. How cute are these? I like these a lot. Now with my feet in the narrow toe, oddly enough, I'm finding more pinching on the left toe than on the right. Again though, my feet. I like these. Look at how cute these are. These are really comfortable. So there you have it, my Cozy Island haul. I got a pair of boots, a pair of sandals, and this purse. What are my final thoughts? Actually, I am quite impressed. I really like this bag. I like how small and compact it is and how stylish and cute. So I definitely really like that bag. Nice quality. I like the sandals. I could have went to a size 8.5 in those just because they felt a little extra wide. They were a little hard when I first put them on, but they kind of molded to my foot a little bit. So I think the more I wear them, the more comfortable they'll become for my feet. And those boots are everything. Like, I like how they kind of come up over your calf like a sweater, and it's just like this warm hug on your leg. So I really do like those. I just wish they did come in a wide versus such a narrow toe. Hi, Gemma. Such a narrow toe because I have wide feet. So I would have ordered a wide if I could have. But other than that, I mean, even those, after I wore them for a little bit, they seemed to stretch out and mold to my feet also. So they weren't really uncomfortable after I wore them. So that's kind of interesting how they broke in so fast. I think that the longer I wear them, the more comfortable they'll be on my feet. But yeah, this is a pretty decent little company. And I will look into some more items from them. Again, I will have everything linked in the description box below if you want to check Cozy Island out for yourself and see what you think. But my thoughts are a thumbs up. Gemma says hello, and we say thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and come back for more. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Subscribe.